easier than it looks. Slow cooker Japanese cabbage rolls. Remove the core of the cabbage. Microwave at 1000 watts for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the leaves. Lightly blanching in hot water is also okay. Peel off the cabbage leaves one by one. Use 1 large leaf per cabbage roll. $30 of onion. Finely chopped. $80 of ground meat. Any meat is okay. Half teaspoon of sake. Half teaspoon of soy sauce. A dash of dashi powder. A dash of sugar. A dash of salt and pepper. Half teaspoon of Kewpie mayonnaise. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well until the mixture becomes sticky. Add the finely chopped onion. Mix well. Once the cabbage leaves have cooled, cut off the remaining core with a knife. However, leave a little bit of the core as it makes rolling easier. Place about 1½ golfballs worth of the mixture on the spread leaf. Place the mixture near the bottom and roll it up tightly with the leaf. Two tablespoons of ketchup. 1 teaspoon of tonkatsu sauce. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of mirin. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of consomme or your favorite stock powder. Mix well. Pour the pre-made sauce into the slow cooker. $200 ml water. Mix well. Arrange the cabbage rolls in the slow cooker. Simmer for at least 6 hours, preferably 8 hours or more. Please turn the cabbage rolls over a few times during cooking. The leaves should be nice and soft.今日の料理はロールキャベツでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.